Hey, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day out there today. I'm super excited to go over this ultra-clean 2024 Mazda CX-5 S-Select package with all-wheel drive. This is stock number 15089Z, and you can check it out at Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, your new and used SUV headquarters. This 2024 Mazda CX-5 features a 2.5-liter dual overhead cam inline-4 engine, producing 187 horsepower and 186 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This CX-5 has been fully inspected and serviced by our team. It has received a fresh oil and filter change, all fluids have been checked and topped off, and it is 100% ready to hit the road. If you enjoy in-depth car reviews and test drives, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload here on Vroom Vibes. This CX-5 is finished in platinum quartz metallic, paint code 47S, a sleek and elegant color that shines beautifully under the light. I shoot all my videos in 4K, so if you like high-quality automotive content, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on my daily vehicle showcases. With one of the largest catalogs of vehicle walkarounds on YouTube, you'll always be informed about our ever-changing and extensive SUV inventory, so you don't miss out on gems like this one. This CX-5 comes equipped with 17-inch painted alloy wheels, wrapped in Yokohama Geolandar G91 tires, size 225/55 R17. These tires still have a good amount of tread left, providing plenty of life for the road ahead. The front fender is in excellent condition. Let me know what you think of this color, platinum quartz metallic. Moving to the front bumper, it's in fantastic shape with no major dents, cracks, or scuffs. The Mazda emblem and grille are also in great condition, and the hood is free from dents or dings. The passenger side front fender and wheel are also in excellent shape, with no noticeable scuffs or scrapes. This platinum quartz metallic paint has a subtle metallic flake that gives it a warm, refined look, slightly more tan than silver, but very clean and classy. You can see just how smooth and well-maintained this paint is. As we go down the side of this 2024 Mazda CX-5 S-Select, take note of how immaculate the body is. No dents, no dings, and a mirror-like reflective finish. The vehicle is completely free of major scratches or scuffs. I record these HD walk-around videos, so whether you're shopping from afar or just can't make it in person yet, you can see the vehicle in detail before making a decision. That way, when you arrive, there are no surprises, just a confident and informed buying experience. If this video helps you decide, let your salesperson know. It really helps out. The rear wheels are just as clean as the front, with the same tires providing equal tread depth. This CX-5 is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes for optimal stopping power. Moving around to the back, the rear bumper is in great shape. It features dual chrome-tipped exhausts for a sporty touch. The only minor flaw to note is a small scratch that has been touched up. But overall, this SUV is in fantastic condition. The rear liftgate is manual, and you can see the shocks are working perfectly to hold it up. Inside, the cargo area is spacious and extremely clean. This model also includes a spare tire and jack tools. The rear seats fold down to expand cargo space, and I'll show you that in just a moment. The liftgate closes easily and securely. Coming around to the driver's side, you'll see it's just as pristine as the passenger side. No major dents, dings, or scratches on the doors or quarter panels. And for full disclosure, this back wheel is just as flawless as the rest. Down the side, everything looks great. This CX-5 features blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, along with integrated turn signal indicators for added safety. Let's check out the rear seats. The interior is finished in black leather, with soft touch materials and contrast stitching. The rear seats have a latch child safety system for car seats, and there are no rips, tears, or wear marks. Factory floor mats are in place, and the seats fold down completely flat for extra cargo space. The doors and door panels are in excellent condition. You also have child safety locks in the rear doors. And, as expected from a 2024 model originally from Georgia, there's no corrosion whatsoever. Up front, the S-Select package gives you black leather bucket seats with contrast piping. Both front seats are heated, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. Additional features include lane departure warning, hill start assist, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. You'll also find glossy black trim accents on the dash and controls. Power windows, locks, and mirrors come standard. Hopping inside, let's check out the odometer and infotainment system. This CX-5 has just 14,680 miles on it. The digital instrument cluster is clean and easy to read. The leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel includes adaptive cruise control and standard cruise control settings on the right, while the left side features audio and Bluetooth controls. The steering wheel itself is wrapped in the same soft-touch leather found throughout the interior. The infotainment system includes factory navigation, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. This is also where the backup camera displays, offering a clear view with good resolution. You'll also get AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Pandora integration, and support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features include push-button start, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, sport mode, and electronic parking brake. The center console is well organized, with easy access to USB ports, a 12-volt power outlet, and the keyless entry fob. The passenger seat and floor mat are just as clean as the driver's side, with no signs of wear, stains, or damage. The headliner is in pristine condition, and overhead, you'll find map lights and a manual dimming rear-view mirror. Now let's start it up and check out the engine bay. The CX-5 fires up instantly, with no check engine lights or warning indicators. Under the hood, you'll find the 2.5-liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 186 foot-pounds of torque. The engine bay is spotless, and the motor runs smoothly with no issues. Once again, this vehicle has been fully serviced and inspected, so it's completely road-ready. From a quality and condition standpoint, I highly recommend this 2024 Mazda CX-5 S-Select. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a well-maintained, stylish, and feature-packed SUV. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily walkarounds. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.